But our top story this evening at 7, that shocking image coming from the Maharashtra Assembly, really shamed by its own MLAs. Those pictures you're seeing are of a police inspector who was beaten up by MLAs today. Assistant Police Inspector Sachin Suryavanshi beaten up by several MLAs inside the Maharashtra Assembly after one of the MLAs, Kshitij Thakur, moved a breach of privilege motion against a policeman for stopping him for speeding the previous days. The MLA's contention was that Suryavanshi had misbehaved with him. The MLAs pounced on Suryavanshi, who was inside the visitors' gallery at the time. The MLAs who have been identified for beating him, other than Kshitij Thakur, are Ram Kadam of the MNS, from Raj Thakre's MNS, Rajan Salve of the Shiv Sena, and independent MLA Pradeep Jaiswal. The Mumbai Police Commissioner has said an FIR will now be registered. Lots of political reactions coming in as well.
अगर कोई अधिकारी अपने अधिकारों का गैर इस्तेमाल करता है, उस पर कार्रवाई करने का व्यवस्था कानून में है, लेकिन कानून हाथ में लेकर किसी पर मारपीट करना ये उचित नहीं है। हमें लगता है कि ऐसे लोगों पे कार्रवाई होना जरूरी है।
इस तरीके से कानून हाथ में लेकर किसी को मारना, मैं समझता हूं कि कोई इसका समर्थन नहीं कर सकता है। इसलिए इनके ऊपर जरूर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, उचित कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए और इस बात की छानबीन भी होनी चाहिए।
Right, our correspondent Kajal Iyer is there at the Mantralaya tracking the reactions to that story. Kajal, it's certainly shameful images coming from inside the legislature itself. What kind of action really can be taken given that those MLAs are in fact talking about a breach of privilege inside the assembly?
The speaker refrained to mention what exactly are the actions that he is contemplating taking against these MLAs, but all the parties and the speaker himself said that this is something that has made their heads hang in shame, and they said that they have to apologize to the people of Maharashtra and even other members of the assembly and the police, because remember Sachin Suryavanshi had caught Kshitij Thakur's car while it was speeding on the Bandra Worli sea link, and it was during an argument over Chalan that they had a heated argument, and which was deemed by Kshitij Thakur as a breach of privilege, and he came to the assembly with this complaint. Now the speaker is expected to go through all the various details, give his decision in 8 or 15 days. That is what he actually said in the House today. Meanwhile, from the police's side, we have been told, Satyapal Singh himself mentioned that an FIR will be registered on the entire issue of beating up a cop within the Vidhan Bhavan premises, and action would be taken based on the FIR, based on the medical, the injuries that Suryavanshi has sustained.
Kajal, of course, the speaker also saying now that the CCTV footage will be looked at. The police commissioner looking very closely at the CCTV footage, and we're looking at some of the pictures taken inside the assembly, Sachin Suryavanshi being taken away by the policeman there. Tell us about his condition.
Well, we've been told that he has been admitted to the St. George's Hospital. His condition is stable, nothing to worry about. That is what the doctors tell us right now. But the police has said that they will make an inquiry about what is the nature of injuries that he has suffered, and based on that, all these details will be included in the FIR, which will throw more light on what kind of punishment, if any, could be given to the MLAs.
In fact, Kajal, we have in the past seen MLAs, MPs behaving badly inside legislatures, and that's certainly been shocking. But most of the time, it has to do with politics. It has to do with a bill inside the House. This perhaps is unprecedented. The idea that the policeman who came to listen really as that breach of privilege motion was being put forth in the House was targeted and then assaulted by members of the legislature. Is it completely unprecedented?
Well, from whatever we have spoken to senior reporters and senior politicians here at the Vidhan Bhavan, they say that they have never seen such a thing happen in the Vidhan Bhavan in their entire careers. So it does seem like the first time something of this nature has happened at the Vidhan Bhavan. Of course, we have seen ruckus happening in assemblies all across the country, but generally it is about politics, as you rightly mentioned. In this particular case, it seems the MLAs here are claiming that there was some kind of a provocation mentioned that when the cop had been at the visitors gallery, he had made certain gestures, but we will also have to go through the CCTV footage to actually figure out whether the cop had made any provocative gestures. But even so, all parties across lines have said even if he had made any provocative gestures, it is condemnable that members of the Legislative Assembly actually went and beat him up.
Absolutely, Kajal, and some shades really of that other case of former Member of Parliament Vittal Radadia there brandishing a gun at a toll booth some months ago. The question really, as you were saying, it's across the political spectrum that people are now condemning that incident. But is it going any further than that? In incidents like these, are we going to see the politicians there in Maharashtra come together eventually to stop those MLAs being punished in any way?
Well, from whatever we have heard across party lines, every party has come up with some kind of a statement condemning the attack. In fact, Raj Thackeray, one of his party's MLAs, Ram Kadam, was involved in this particular ruckus, and he himself has come out and said that irrespective of whether he is from my party, action should be taken according to the rules of the Legislative Assembly. Now remember, when it comes to the Legislative Assembly, the jurisdiction of the action actually lies with the Speaker. So whatever punishment is to be given first comes from the Speaker, and we'll also have to look at how the FIR progresses and how further action is taken in this particular case.
All right, Kajal, hold that thought, because we are going to listen in to the Mumbai Police Commissioner Satyapal Singh. He's speaking about just what kind of complaint will be registered. Let's listen in.
अभी उसका स्टेटमेंट वहाँ चालू है। PSI सूर्यवंशी का 2 लोगों को उन्होंने पहचाना है, और कौन लोग थे ये एक इंक्वायरी का, इन्वेस्टिगेशन का विषय है। तो जो भी कानूनी कार्रवाई होगी, कानूनी कार्रवाई होगी।
2 को पहचाना, वो कौन है?
उसमें एक आमदार श्री अक्षरीश ठाकुर और एक श्री रामदास कदम, राम कदम। कंप्लेंट हैज बीन गिवन बाय PSI सूर्यवंशी। उसका अभी मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन चालू है। उसके आधार पर एज पर द मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड कंप्लेंट विल बी रजिस्टर्ड।